In this video, I'll show you how to make a drop-down list in Excel. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like. Let's get right into this guide. In this example spreadsheet here, I'm creating a questionnaire for teenagers. And in this case, I want to go and have a multiple choice option. So therefore, a drop-down list of options is going to work really well. So the first thing you need to do is go and select the cell you want to go and have the multiple choice options in. In this case, I want it to be B3. Then what you need to do is go to the top and you need to go and tap on data like this. And once you've clicked on data, you now need to go over to the right and go and locate data validation, go and click on it and then click on data validation again. Then what you want to do is make sure settings is selected and then where it says allow, you want to go and change any value to a list like this. And then what we need to do is go and enter in the options we want. So in this case, I'm going to have like yes, no sometimes or yes, sometimes no. So firstly, type in your first option, which I want to be yes. So type it in YES. And then what you need to do is put a comma, then a space, and then you can go and type in your next option. So I'm going to add sometimes, then put another comma, and then you want to go and put in your next option. Then I'm going to go and put my next option in, which I want to be no, just like that. And then once you've entered your final one, you don't have to put a comma there. And then you can go and tap OK like this. And then when you select OK, you'll notice a little arrow appears to the right of the cell. And you can then go and click on this arrow here. And as you can see, we've then got our options here. We've got yes, sometimes no. I could then go and select one just like that. And that's it, guys.